In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Garmin Venu 3 to iPhone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Setting up your Garmin Venu 3 watch or any other model that you have on an iPhone is extremely simple. To start, you will have to download the Garmin Connect application. So go over to the App Store on your iPhone and download the Garmin Connect app. Inside of this application, you will be able to sign into an account and set up your calendar, challenges, and of course, manage your devices. So if you haven't already, go ahead and sign up to use the services. It's free to create an account. So once you have your account created and you are inside of the app, you will be able to power on your Garmin Venu 3. If this is your first time powering on the watch, you will be able to set it up by choosing the language, and immediately after, it's going to ask you if you want to pair it up with your phone. If you previously chose no when you got this prompt for the first time, don't worry, you just have to go over to these settings, and you will also be able to find the option to pair a phone from there. So just find the option to pair a phone, and immediately upon selecting it, you will get instructions on what to do. Like I mentioned in the beginning of this video, it's either going to tell you that you have to finish the process inside of Garmin Connect or just display a QR code. So inside of Garmin Connect, choose the option to add a device, and now you will be able to browse through various devices for Garmin. And as you might expect, you will be able to choose the Venu models from here as well. So let this process finish, and after you see all of the watches here, you will be able to choose the specific model that you wish. So you will be able to browse all the watches, and you can go over to the Venu line. Now choose the Venu 3, Venu 2, whatever one you have, and put them in close proximity of your mobile device. As soon as you choose the option to pair it to a phone, you open the application and you select it from here, they are going to automatically pair themselves up with each other. It is simple to do, and you just have to make sure that they are in close proximity. They will automatically finish the setup for you. You will be able to customize the goals, the schedule, the calendar, and everything is going to be available for you to manage within the app. As long as you have the latest version, they are both going to connect. Sadly, I cannot show you this full process being done on screen, but it is intuitive to do and you just have to follow the on-screen instructions afterwards. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Garmin Venu 3 to iPhone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.